Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to join a new project which is called OPNET. OPNET is creating a meta protocol to deploy smart contracts on Bitcoin without altering its core principles. This new system, which doesn't currently exist, allows smart contract deployment similar to Ethereum. The project is promising with a confirmed airdrop for participants. So its funding details are not revealed yet, but it's confirmed airdrop, so I think you should join. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they've around 64k followers at the time of making this video, and they are active here, which is another positive sign. Now to join this airdrop, I'll provide the link in the description. So first you need to download their wallet extension. So download and install it. Open the wallet. Here, as you can see, the sign up option. You can create new account if you want, but if you already have a wallet like Uniset, then you can click here. I already have a wallet, so I choose this option. Now create a password and click continue. So here, as you can see, some wallet options. Here I have Uniset, so I'll select that. Now here need to insert your seed phrases. So after that, click continue. Keep this option default and click continue. So the account is created successfully. Now you need to visit this airdrop page. I'll provide the link in the description. So click that link and you'll land on this page. So here first you need to connect your wallet. So click connect wallet, then connect. Now you need to connect your X account. So click connect Twitter and authorize app, and it's done. Now here a tweet option pop up. Here you can share their tweet to earn points, depends on like and engagement. Now scroll down here, as you can see tasks options, so you need to complete them all to earn points. So here as you can see 3 tasks of mine are already complete. Now need to complete this Twitter task. So here you need to copy this emoji and go back your X account, and in your profile section you need to edit and put that emoji in your name like this, and then save. Now back to task dashboard and click verify. And as you can see it's complete. So next join their Discord account. Accept invite. Then click complete. Agree the terms and submit. Then you need to solve the captcha for verify. But wait, here you need to connect your wallet as well. So for that, click this link wallet option. Then here in the box type /connect. Then open your OP wallet and copy this public key and paste the key here and enter. So wallet is linked now. Now back to your OP dashboard and click verify. As you can see, Discord task is complete. So for the last one, click here and you land on this page. So again connect your wallet, select OP wallet, then connect. So before swap we need to claim faucet. So where you get that? So back to the OP dashboard. Here as you can see the faucet option, click here. Here as you can see you can claim 0.05 tokens. So for that, so open the OP wallet and copy the address and paste it here. Now solve the captcha. and claim. So every 24 hours you can get free faucet. Now click here, connect OP wallet, then click claim 1000 PL and click sign. Copy this address. Now open your OP wallet, then click import token, then paste the wallet address and click next. As you can see, the PL token is added to the wallet. Now back to the MotoSwap website, and here select Bitcoin, and here select Moto, then input any lowest amount of BTC, click swap tokens, then click start reservation, sign the transaction. Now you need to wait the transaction to be completed. It takes some time. You can check here in notification icon for details. So here in the activity section you can check your activities. So here in the trade option you can send any amount of tokens for your friend's address, and here in the stake option you can stake the tokens. So here is another website you can visit and connect your wallet. Then click menu here. As you can see, you can stake any of these tokens you want. For example, let's select Bitcoin. And put any amount. Then click stake now. So my balance is not enough, so that's you can stake in this site. So that's it for this video. I'll give you all the updates, so that make sure to join our Telegram channel. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.